I've simmered the dates for my sticky toffee pudding in just a little bit of water, and I'm going to puree them now. Now this is a really easy recipe because it's basically all in one. All we're going to do is whiz everything together. So in goes some butter, 3 eggs. For the full recipe, just click on the link. Some light brown soft sugar, some milk, a splash of vanilla extract, and some treacle to make it really nice and sticky. Now some plain flour, a pinch of salt, and some baking powder, and then a brief pulse just to bring it together. And you should find that you've got quite a thick batter. I'm using dariole moulds that I've greased and base lined, but you could use large ramekins. All we're going to do is ladle the mixture straight in. Now these need to go into the oven for about 18 to 22 minutes until they're risen and set. If they get a bit dark, just cover with foil. While the puddings are cooking, we're going to make the toffee sauce just by warming together some double cream, some butter, and some light brown soft sugar. And now I'm going to add a tablespoon of treacle. And then cook that for about 4 to 6 minutes until it's lovely and thick. And when the puddings are cooked and cooled, just turn them out, pour over the sauce, and they're delicious served with ice cream or some cream. For more lovely recipes, don't forget to click to subscribe.